heaven.
This is my favorite Sub250 setup. It is the Great Discus with I would prefer a naked GoPro, but we have a naked Runcam thumb. This is the footage you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you though something very important, okay? Look at this. My setup, 148, okay? Dry. Now we use my favorite battery. Now look at that. 204 grams. So at 204 grams, this thing rips, it flies beautifully. Now most of you guys are flying sub-250 frames that weigh 50, 60, 75 grams, okay? So now we add to that weight the same setup. Boom, there you go. You're at 239, and this is what most of your sub-250 drones fly like. I'm gonna show you the difference that weight makes, okay? And this is like, so an 1150 versus a 560. And this gives me just as much flight time, way better performance, and a way better experience. And lots of you guys are not paying attention to the difference that weight makes. And it's one of the things that drives me nuts, as we'll have Chris Rosser with his AOS 3.5 that people like, or even the quad mola sirens they're heavy, man. I don't know how heavy those are. Let's see how heavy they are. Quad mola 3.5 is 74 grams, okay? T700 4mm carbon. No one's broken one of the T700 4mm carbon ones yet. This frame weighs 30 grams. You get something that actually flies bloody amazing versus lugging all the weight. And see if you can see the difference between the first flight and the second flight, okay? I didn't speed it up at all. All I did was cut it.
Time can move so slowly, and in the distance I hear voices. Are they real or are they in my head? I'm lovesick. You got me lovesick, and I'm lovesick. You got me lovesick, and now I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive. Now I feel alive. And every time it drives me crazy. And all the good times we had saved me. Are they real or are they in my head? I'm lovesick. You got me lovesick. And I'm lovesick. You got me lovesick. And now I feel alive. Feel alive. Feel alive. Feel alive. And now I feel alive. They called, got me back in my head, oh. No sleep, I've been up in my bed, oh. Let me know, if you feel it the same, if you're playing the game where you say my name. I can read your eyes, got me hypnotized. Oh, you don't gotta hide, your body says it all tonight. These are the nights I chase, 'cause you stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head. And I want you to know that I can't get one night without you. Yeah, yeah. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head. And I want you to know that I can't get one night without you in my head. No rest, no calm, your voice in the dark, oh. One look, one move, and it all falls apart, oh. Too deep, too soon, got me stuck on the way that you more you sway, and you don't wanna stay. I can read your eyes, got me hypnotized. Oh, you don't gotta hide, your body says it all tonight. These are the nights I chase, 'cause you stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head. And I want you to know that I can't get one night without you. Yeah, yeah. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head, in my head, in my head. Stay in my head. And I want you to know that I can't get one night without you in my head.
The Great Disc is custom tailored to whatever you want, whatever system you're flying, except for 04 Pro. So in that case, go get yourself a quad muller or something, because I haven't really designed one for the 04 Pro. For the 04 Pro, yeah, I'm an analog boy, and basically you can fit anything in there except for the Pro 4. Maybe I could make it happen with some 3mm props, but I don't know. After 03's breaking on me, I have the 03 one, but I don't know. I'm going hard analog. So if you're into analog with an action cam or any of the other systems except for the 04 Pro, then this is the perfect frame for you. If you can build tight.
Get it right, get it right, get it tight.
There's a 1.6 watt VTX in there with a F7 stack. No excuses. How to get one? Message me on Discord. Just go into the website, and it's at the bottom of my website. My website's on my homepage in the links. It's also in the description of every video. And yeah, you can check out the other stuff too. Liquid Reality, your order's just about ready, and so is everybody else's. I'll get them to you by the end of the week. I'm shipping out people's psycho orders. It's actually annoying how much people like these stupid little things, because it's like, if you like the Psycho, if you like your Caillou Mini, I get it, it's cute, it's fun, but it's just like, it's like comparing, I don't know, a glider to a jet. It's like Top Gun versus I'm cute and little. Don't you want to be a man? Real men fly discus.
I want to go fast.
The great discus. You need a great D in your life.